let's go ahead and start with the paper test. Pretty nice. All right, oof, I should not point that to myself, especially now that I know how sharp this is. Let's try another one. And here we go. Oh, wow. Look at that. Not bad. And I should point out that this is how they arrive. I haven't sharpened them or anything. This is how you get them. Let's try this little guy. I've never tried this with a bread knife before, but I'm kind of curious now. Oh, are you kidding me? Oh, I was not expecting that from a bread knife. I need to be more careful now with my bread knives. So I can't give my full opinion on these yet because I've just kind of looked over them and inspected them, and I haven't used them for cooking yet to feel how they are after chopping for a while. I just wanted to point out that these were sent to me so I could make this video. After I give you a closer look at these, I will share my opinions. Here's some footage of me using these knives so you can kind of get an idea of how well they work. Now again, this is coming straight from the factory. I haven't sharpened these or anything, so this is exactly what you would expect if you got these knives. Now the real opinion that matters, of course, is my wife, who loves to do a lot of Asian cooking, so she hasn't used these yet. So after I give you a closer look, I'm going to let my wife use these for a while as she does some different cooking, and we will see what she thinks, and hopefully I can show you enough footage to give you an idea if these would work for you or not. So I've got all the knives out here so we can have a closer look. I usually don't show the boxes, but I actually really like the boxes these come in. It's just cardboard, no plastic. I think that's kind of cool. Butterfork. Kind of a light purple color. I rather like it. Now these all have these metal stoppers, so to pull it out you can just kind of yank it out, and then it goes in and out freely from, I suspect this is a bamboo sheath. But here's kind of a closer look at the blade, and in just a second I will bust out the microscope to give you a close look at the edge. But here you've got the bread knife. This is kind of the cleaver. It's a bit small for a cleaver, but here's a bit of a look at the blade. I haven't tried to cut any of my hairs yet, but they do seem to be coming off pretty easily along with some of my skin, my dry dead skin, that is. Not cutting myself. Now, I'm not sure if this is a tool to get this out, but you can certainly use it if you don't want to use your fingers. Here's a bit of a closer look at this blade. Very nice. And then here we go with a little baby knife. All right, so let's go ahead and bust out the microscope. We will start with this knife. Let's get it positioned, and there we go, zoomed in. Let's look at the cut. See, this is coming from the factory, so I haven't cut anything yet. This kind of gives you an idea of how it looks up close and the angle. And I'm mostly curious to see if it's the same on all blades. I think it's actually a little bit different. Looking at this, I think this has the blade. Let's look at this side, and then let me flip it over. And this is the other side, so you can see the angle from both sides. What is that? Not sure what that was, but this should give you a good idea of the factory cut and angle. Let's kind of look at this metal. It was about 2 weeks ago that I filmed the first portion of the video, and before I share my personal opinion, let me just kind of go over what my wife thinks about these, because she is the one that has used these more than I have. When I asked her about the knives, the main thing she said over and over again is, wow, these things are really sharp. Now I noticed that too. Again, I didn't cook as much as my wife did, but she cut with these a lot. We have gone through and used a bunch of different knives. These are the sharpest that we have used. So if that is what you are going for, then yes, these are very sharp, which for me personally, that's more or less what I am going for. Her other comment to me was, why is this one so small? She wants a bigger one of this because she loves this knife. She is Asian. She uses this style of knife all the time. So she does wish that this was bigger. And I agree. In fact, me holding it like this, it looks like a giant razor that I could shave with. So that's kind of interesting. Wish it was bigger, but Still, again, very sharp. I never did figure out what this metal thing is for, but it exists. And if you want, you can use it to kind of pop out these little metal things holding the knife in. You don't really need it, but maybe that's what it's for. Really, the only other comment my wife had is we do have a knife set where the blade itself is kind of the same as the handle. It's just a solid form factor. She prefers that. I don't know if I do, honestly. I don't know if I really care or notice the difference. I will say, as far as how well balanced this is, I don't know how to judge or tell if it's balanced well or nice. The handle is heavier than the blade part, so it's going to kind of tilt back like this. With the other knife set we have where it's all the same form, the handle tends to be a bit lighter. Don't know if that's good or bad. Just something to be aware of is this is a solid plastic material, so it is a bit back heavy. Feels fine in the hand. Didn't notice anything uncomfortable or weird about it. Bottom line, if you want knives that are really sharp, these are really sharp. If you like the unique colors on the handle, I don't think I've ever seen a knife with a handle this color before, then that might be another reason you'd want these. And it is kind of cool that it has these bamboo sheaths. Keeps things safe so you can keep it in your drawer. I hope this video helped. Thanks for watching.